Making money from watching videos is a lot easier than you might think. As you likely watch films and ads online in your spare time already, it's such a simple way to earn extra money. It's a great way to make money alongside similar ventures like starting a YouTube channel. Plus, doing video-related work experience could boost your CV. So, if you're hoping to get a job in film, TV, or digital media, it's ideal. There are loads of ways to watch videos for money, and we'll go through the best options here. Number 1. Watch videos for money on Swagbucks. If you haven't already, signing up to Swagbucks is a great way to start making money from quick and easy tasks. You can earn rewards for watching videos, surfing the web, and doing paid online surveys. The types of videos you'll watch on Swagbucks could include ads, news content, and viral videos. By watching videos on the site, you might not earn huge amounts of money or Swagbuck points, but as it's such easy money, it's worth trying. Plus, when you use Swagbucks on top of the other suggestions in this list, your earnings will soon add up. Number 2. Make money watching videos on Inbox Pounds. Inbox Pounds works in a similar way to Swagbucks. It lets you earn cash for super simple things like watching videos and taking surveys. Again, you might not make big money on here, but the more tasks you do beyond watching videos, the more money you can make. Even reading Inbox Pounds deals emails or searching the internet on their search page can earn you cash. Number 3. Watch video ads on ASPIRATIONal for earnings or charity. Hoping to watch ads for money and make a positive impact? ASPIRATIONal could be the app for you. Like some of the others on this list, ASPIRATIONal is an app that lets you earn cash from watching videos. But it has a slight difference. As well as making money to boost your bank balance, you also have the chance to contribute to charity. Number 4. Watch ads, TV trailers, and more for money on Slice2Pie. Slice2Pie is a review site that lets you earn points for doing loads of very easy things like watching interesting videos, listening to music, and answering survey questions. The videos include commercials and clips like trailers for films and TV shows. The minimum withdrawal is $10, about PS $8.15, which will get paid into your PayPal account. As they read through all the reviews before making payments, you might need to wait up to 5 working days for the withdrawal request to be processed. Number 5. Make money watching videos on Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel is a site that lets you earn money watching videos, something that requires so little work it's almost free money. You can request the money you've earned through the site as PayPal money or as gift cards. When withdrawing the money via PayPal, there's a minimum payout of $5, about PS4. If you're redeeming your points for a voucher, you may find the minimum payout is lower than it is when using PayPal. For example, you might be able to use your points to claim an Amazon voucher worth $2, about PS0.65. When you redeem the points you've earned through the site, your money/gift cards will be processed and sent to you within 24 hours. As well as watching videos, you can also answer paid online surveys and refer friends to Prize Rebel to boost your earnings. Number 6. Write subtitles for films as a freelancer via Fiverr. To add more film-related experience to your CV and make money in the process, you could start writing subtitles for online videos as a freelancer. Subtitles and transcripts can be very time-consuming to write. So, to save time, some content creators hire freelancers to write their video subtitles for them. On sites like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles for a fee. To get an idea of prices, have a look at what other freelancers charge for similar services. Then, post rates that you think are fair but competitive. As a guideline, we've seen some freelancers on Fiverr start their rates at around PS4 to write subtitles. If you speak another language, this is a bonus. It means you'll be able to charge a bit extra to translate videos on a freelance basis. Not to mention it's bound to impress future employers. So these were 6 ways to make money from watching videos. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.